how to send video from camera roll as a snap, not in chat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a video from your camera roll as a snap on Snapchat without sending it through the chat. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Snapchat and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, once you're in the app, make sure you're on the camera screen. This is where you can take photos and videos directly in the Snapchat. Now, here you can find the various options at the top, like green screen, grid, tone, dual camera, selfie settings, flip, and all the other options. Now what you need to do is simply click on green screen. Here these are all the videos, and as you can see, after you've tapped on green screen, here you can find all the videos that you've captured on your camera roll. Simply click the video like this and then simply click on send. Now you can send this video to anybody you prefer. Now here you can see this video has been as a snap, not as a chat. And that's it. That's how you send your video from your camera roll as a snap without it going through as a chat.